everyone, here is Aarti and I am going to present a demonstration of a tool Metascape while referencing and taken an example from a research paper, recently published research paper. Here you can see a Metascape logo and its tagline is a gene annotation and analysis resources. So mainly it is used for gene annotation and pathways enrichment and their analysis resources. And you can see in the screenshot, this is the latest published research paper on Metascape, and it is published in Nature. And here you can see it is published in 2019, and this paper is cited by mostly researchers almost in 1910 papers. It means it is highly efficient paper. As we can know, the Metascape is an open and web-based tool mainly used for pathway enrichment analysis, and its component of Metascape. Metascape is used for many different purposes, but mainly it is used for conversion, gene annotation, membership search, and enrichment analysis. This is known as K-analysis. So in conversion, we can use the ID conversion. If we give the entries ID, it converted into gene symbol and GenBank ID, different homologene IDs. So we will see in the tool. And gene annotation means it functionally annotates the gene's function and pathways related to it. And membership search, in this you can use the related terms which we use in pathways and search the pathway with that given terms. And enrichment analysis is mainly efficient for pathway enrichment analysis. Let's go with an example. So here you can see I will choose this paper to demonstrate the Metascape, and in this paper the researcher tried CXCL is a gene, an important chemokine associated with cytokine storm in COVID-19 infection patient. So here researcher tried to find this CXCL gene important, so they will form a network base with this and neighboring genes. They will try to find neighbor genes. So for this, researcher firstly go for the gene data set, and they will go in the Geo tool, and they use the Geo ID with GSE 5972 with the COVID samples. They were taken from this Geo data set, COVID samples, and after that they will download the immune gene set from import website, and the ID is GSC 147507. Here is it mentioned in the below. After that, they will combine those COVID sample genes and immune genes, and after they combine, they were found that common genes between differential expression genes, immune genes. Then it will find the common genes, that is 29 genes. Here I was listed these 29 genes, and with these 29 genes, they will do the pathway enrichment analysis in Metascape, and here we will also try to find the pathways with these genes associated with these genes. So let's go to the Metascape homepage. So here you can see the home page of Metascape tool, and here you can see the multiple gene list analysis. Also we can do multiple gene list or single gene list. So if you have a single gene list, then you can easily paste it here, or you can select the file if you save in your system. If you want to do multiple gene analysis, then you can select the file with multiple genes, and you can click this multiple gene list option. If you don't have multiple gene list, then easily you can paste here your genes, and you don't check the multiple gene option. So as we have the single gene list with 29 genes, so we have to here copy and paste it our gene list. So for this we have to copy. So I have copied these all 29 genes, and now I will paste it here. As I paste our 29 genes, after that I will click on submit, and here you can see you can choose the species, study species as input genes of any species, which I have choose any species, but for analysis species I have choose only with Homo sapiens. You can choose with different species as your interest of study. After that, here is two options. There is two options were pop up. The one is express analysis and custom analysis. So in the paper they will go with the custom analysis. So first of all, we are also going with the custom analysis. Custom analysis means this is customized. You can select the parameter according to your interest. So I will click on custom analysis, and after that you can see first option here is ID conversion, after that annotation, and third is membership, and at the end here is enrichment analysis. So in this our example paper they will do the enrichment analysis. So in the ID conversion you can easily see my list of genes has gene symbols. It converted into gene ID or tax ID, homologene ID, or with you have selected the Homo sapiens. That's why it only gives Homo sapiens species. So we can go our analysis with enrichment analysis. In this I have to find pathway enrichment analysis, or we can also do the protein interaction enrichment analysis. So simply these default parameter are used in the paper, so I have also go with these default parameters. After that I have to click on enrichment analysis. So it will take some time because it is a web server tool, so it will take some time to give output results. So we will wait. So here you can see the output of our given input gene list. Here you can see it will give category means it is the category of pathway, and with this they give the gene ontology term ID, and this ID is also we have to search in membership term. And here you can see gene ontology category is biological process, and here is the description of which biological process is involved with this genes. Okay, here you can see that it is list of so very big, and you can click on expand, and you can expand all the biological process and related description and ID. You can use these IDs and these categories and their description in your paper with according to your interest. And here it is also give the members heat map with related heat map you can use according to your interest. And here this is the important analysis. You can see the bar graph of log p value. In this you can see these are gene ontology term, and here is the related description of pathway. So here you can see the topmost pathway is defense response to virus, and then second most is influenza A, and third most is SARS-CoV-2 innate immunity evasion and cell specific immunity. So these are pathways which are involved with our input genes. And here this is the overall network colored map. So here these genes have made some clusters, and these colors are represent their clusters. You can see the description here. can see here red color is representing the defense response to virus, this pathway, this biological process, and this blue color is represent the influenza A, and green color represent the SARS-CoV. These all pathway with different colors in this network, and you can easily download this network in CSV file or PDF file or web file with, and you can use in your paper or in your studies. And here protein interaction enrichment is also give with this tool Metascape, and here you can see these all genes are how interacting with them and how they will interact, and given the protein interaction map network. So here you can see these are our input genes, and these are showing interaction in between them. So this is also you can use in your study and by downloading this network in your PDF file or CYS file. So this is our custom analysis, and you can do also a by default without changing any parameter. You can also do the with default parameter analysis with this express analysis. By clicking on express analysis, you have so many analysis, so many outputs in front of them with different databases. Metascape is almost 40 knowledge bases pathways or different databases analysis done on a single click. It will take time also. So here you have a analysis report page, and after I click on this analysis report page, I have gone through this analysis, these outputs. Here you can see the bar graph with enriched terms, gene list, colored p-value. These colors means the different p-values which we also seen in the custom analysis. And here you can see these gene ontology term ID, and here is the different pathway which are related to these genes. And here this is also option is available for downloading the different data for your interest or for your different study. And here this is given the our gene list is 29 genes. Our list has 29 genes. And here you have the gene annotation output. Here you can see gene symbols and description, and different pathways are known. This is a functional location, biological process, kinase. These are all given. These are all related to our genes. Kinase class, function location, detailed kinase classes. These are all overall output, but you can't setting a parameter in this express analysis. But in custom analysis, you can set parameter according to your choice or according to your interest. And here here are pathway, process, enrichment analysis, which are importantly used in Metascape. And here you can see the term ID and category which we had also seen in the custom analysis. And this is the pathway related to biological process and count, and here is the log p value, log q value, and this is the network graph, or which we also seen in this is same also as custom analysis. And protein interaction and different analysis, this is also we have seen. So this is the overall output analysis you can use according to your interest. So here I will give a overview and a small demo of Metascape, and after that you can use this for your study purpose or enrichment, pathway enrichment analysis or gene annotation analysis. Okay, thank you.